家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Paul。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。最近天气冷了，然后草莓盛产的季节，对不对？
台府，
没错啊，去台府。It's that season where you can actually pick your own strawberries, especially in 苗栗。So let's teach you this, okay? 水果怎么说呢？
购字，
购字 that's fruit, and then the strawberry 草莓，
草莓，
草莓。All right, let's teach you how to say you can visit a lot of strawberry fields in 苗栗大湖。苗栗大湖有很多草莓园。
苗栗台府，
苗栗台府。
有东岛，
有东岛。
草莓园，
草莓园。Oh, 草莓 again is strawberry. 园 that's a garden. 然后还有啊，我跟你讲，我最近想要去日本玩。听说日本的草莓也是
好好吃，
很好吃，什么熊本的啦，还有一些横滨的也有。好，日本的草莓超好吃。Japanese strawberries are so delicious.
日本嘅草莓，
日本嘅草莓
非常好吃，
非常好吃。哎，为什么不是懂好吃？
我们就非常好吃啊！
哦，非常
学那种不一样，非常好吃。
Okay, that's a different way of saying very delicious, okay? 非常好吃 that means it's so delicious. Japanese strawberries. All right, let's review some of the phrases, including the place that produce a lot of strawberries in Taiwan, 大湖。
台府，
台府 go visit there. And then you have 好吃
好吃，
好吃 that's delicious. And then the strawberry 草莓
草莓，
草莓 and of course 草莓园就是草莓园 that's strawberry fields. And there you have it, another round of Practical Hakka.
是母台家。
是谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.